my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm G and today I have a hair review. So this is a wig review. It is from MyFirstWig. I've seen this company all around like YouTube and Instagram for a couple years now, and I can admit I'm not really a wig girl. I make wigs, I do wigs, I sell wigs, I've done wigs, but I just personally do not prefer wigs. Like, I just don't. I'm more of like a leave out. I just want to look as natural as possible, and I know there are some people that can lay some lace. However, I'm going to say it. When you look up close at someone with lace, you can see lace. It doesn't matter who did your hair, where the lace came from, what kind of wig. You're going to see lace because you have eyes. So it's just, I don't know. I'm not a big fan. However, I did want to try this wig out. It's right here. This is the wig that I purchased. This is not sponsored. This is an honest review of this wig. So it's a bob wig and it is a closure. It's not a lace frontal, so it's a 5x5 closure. And I'm going to get into all the specs later, but I just wanted to try a wig because I big chopped, and I just been kind of in the mood to experiment. You know, like, I've just been wanting to do different things with my hair. I'm at home, so it's not like I have to go out every day. So if I want to wear a wig, I can wear a wig. So here we are today. I am going to be trying on and giving my first impressions and review of my first wig, and the wig is called the Jaime unit. It is a 5x5 closure. I'm reading off my phone. 5x5 closure wig, Malaysian version hair, blunt cut. The number, if you want to purchase this wig, it'll all be in the description. I don't even want to read all of this. So the cap construction, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. So it's 10 inches. It's silky texture. The lace color is medium brown. It comes with an elastic band. And yeah, so it says that the knots were lightly bleached. I'm just going to be honest, when I took this wig out of the box, it was a middle part. This is a side part now. It was a middle part. It was plucked. I can give them that. The actual knots, it was lightly bleached, like they said, very lightly. So I did bleach the knots again. I watercolored the hair black. If you want to see how to do that, I can make a video, but it's all over YouTube on how people watercolor hair. You basically boil water and you use a rinse, and you empty the rinse in the water that's boiling. You stir it together and you dunk your wig. It's so simple, so easy. So that's what I did with this wig. So right out the pack, I bleached the knots and dyed the wig. So I will say I did want this for the middle part, but it was like over plucked in the part a little bit, which was kind of alarming. I was like, what is this? So the middle part to me is not wearable. So I went ahead and made it a side part, and I'm not mad at all. It's just a little disappointing because I did want to do a middle part, but it's whatever. The density, it's not dense, but I like my bobs not dense, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't like a thick bob. So yeah, it's not too dense. It did come with this wig stand, which is kind of cool. The box is really cool too, so I'll show you all of the contents. It came with that wig stand. Came with this cute wig storage. This is really cute, like a garment bag for your wig. It came with wig caps. Then I got like this cute little pouch that has a comb, clips, and bobby pins. And they also threw in a little face mask. So yeah, that's cute. I want to say this wig was like $178. It was on sale for Black Friday, I think. $178 is not too bad for this wig. It's not. The hair, it is kind of silky, so I would be interested to see how it flat irons. But yeah, so I'm going to jump right into trying this wig on. So like I said, the only thing I did was re-bleach the knots and dyed the wig and made a side part. I did pluck a little bit out of the part, but I did not pluck the hairline. because like I said, it was already kind of plucked. So I hope you can see. So yeah, that's all I did to it. I didn't cut the lace or anything. So let's jump right into trying this wig on. Okay, so I have my cap on. You don't have to do a cap method if you don't want to, since it's a closure, but I just wanted to, just because, why not? So I'm going to put the wig on, and it does come with an adjustable band, which I really like. Okay, so I will say that this wig is really great for beginners. I'm guessing that's why it's called My First Wig, and the parent company is RPG Show. So this wig is actually like really well made and like really constructed well. It looks really good right now though. I am pleasantly surprised. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think. I think it looks pretty good for like little manipulation. Like I said, all I did was dye it black and bleach through the knots. Like that's all I did. I didn't really pluck. I just got a little bit of hairs out the part, but as far as like the hairline and everything, I really didn't have to touch it much. So, and to be honest, I think this could really be a glueless unit. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off. And I'm using like a hair razor to do this. Just because like you don't want a straight line across, if that makes sense. Uh-oh, cut some of the hair. Wow. Wow, I'm impressed. The lace is like awesome. Like this lace is beautiful. Like you cannot even, wow. I am highly impressed. Highly impressed. Let me see what else would I need to do. So I definitely could put some more foundation on this part. Or matter of fact, I could just cut this. Yeah, I definitely could just cut that. And like I said, you can kind of get away with no cap. No cap. You could get away with no cap because this isn't like a full lace frontal, and I really do enjoy that. I think that closures are just much easier to maintain, especially for people who don't wear wigs, or if you're a beginner. Like, it's just so much easier to deal with a 5x5 closure versus a 13 by whatever full hairline. Like, I just think it's so much easier. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron. It looks really good from right here. I definitely could, you know what, I'm not going to cut corners. This is a real review. I'm going to do what I need to do. So, because I'm really not going anywhere. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of the Gots to Be right here, just to kind of lay down this stocking cap a little better. Wow, it really like melts into my hair. This is beautiful. And if I wanted to keep this on longer, I definitely could spray the Gots to Be in the lace, and that'll definitely melt it some more. But I mean, I don't know if you can see from right here, like, the parting looks really, really good. I'm highly, highly impressed. So let me go ahead and flat iron. And like I said, I did not cut this wig. It came this cut. I'm going to see if I would need to do any touch-ups. I would hope not, because that would kind of defeat the purpose. And I'm doing like a rush flat iron job. If this was off of my head, I would definitely do a more effective, more tedious flat iron. But yeah, and the hair is actually really good hair. I can attest to that. It's flat ironing really good. And I don't know if you've ever had Malaysian hair, but Malaysian hair is kind of silkier than Brazilian, but it's kind of thick at the same time. So it's not, how can I explain it? It still gives you like some type of volume and body, but it's not like Barbie doll silky, like that type. This is really cute. Wow. I hope you guys can see. So this is like just a quick little flat iron. It has flyaways, I will say that, but on the site they sell like this flyaway tamer, so I guess they already know that their wigs have flyaways. But yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? I didn't cut it, but I don't really know what the back looks like either, so I would have to like get a mirror and look at the back and see if that needs to be shaped a little better. But from the front, it's really cute. Yeah, it's really, really cute. I got a little quick bob. So that was really why I wanted to purchase this wig, just so that if I want to have like some hair or like a little cute bob, I could have that and I could just throw this on. It's, like I said, made really well. I didn't have to do much to it. You just saw me just throw it on. This is not even like glued down or anything, so this is definitely like a glueless unit. You could get away with no glue or sprays or holding or whatever. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this for beginners. I would recommend this for anybody if you just want like a quick style that you don't have to do too much to. Like I said, it is a closure, so that makes it so much easier. But yes, so this is MyFirstWig Jaime unit. What do you guys think? Like, I'm kind of feeling it. I'm really am. I'm enjoying it. Let me know in the comments. I'm definitely going to have all of the specs. Like I said, this is not sponsored. So MyFirstWig, if you want to holla at your girl, I would love to review all of the styles that you have. They have so many different wigs on their sites. They have lace frontals, 5x5s, so they have like the headband wigs, all different styles, colors, everything. So definitely check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.